this working? Wait. Oh my god, and it says Apex. Okay, what's my title? I did. Okay. Can you hear me? I'm talking right now. Can you hear me? Well, well, I don't. I didn't do that. Okay. Alright, alright. Hold on. Properties. Yeah. What about now? Everything better? Oh my god, it's so low. Okay, hold on. I don't know. How about now? Better? Hello? Get in, loser. You don't? No, because we're talking on Discord, aren't we? I didn't add the. I do want to put you in, but I have to add another capture. Well, audio input, right? Let me do it. I can see the waves, yes. You hear it? Do you hear it? It does show on OBS. Yeah. Okay. Should we start with a warm-up clash? Okay. Start it! Hurry up. No, I don't know. Like, I could use one of these free hunters. Wait. Let's do whatever. I don't mind. We could do clash. I have 3 burns. I have 3 fire bombs. Let's do clash. Yes. I probably have to do fire still. I don't know. Let me check. Oh, because of the update, of course. They broke. That's crazy. Nah. Ain't no way. What? Why you muted? Whatever. What? Okay, I don't understand. I'm confused. I don't understand any of this. Okay, but I can't hear you on Discord either. So, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah. So no challenges. So we're gonna have to expect another update, right? Yeah. Ain't no way. God. Hmm. You said 3 weeks, right? Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Do you? Let me turn you down on Discord, because put the yeah, put the suppression on. Mm. Mm. Should I listen to you only on stream, or is it a little delayed? I don't know. Cause that's how I know if your audio sounds good or not. I could give you feedback. That's what I mean. Yeah. What you mean? What? Babe, I thought you anyways. Yeah. Yeah. See, now I have to turn you down. Is this Splash? Okay. This one's still delayed. I turn you down too much, too low. Hold on, I want to lock it in. Okay, wait. Okay. How are you standing in the open like that? That's crazy. Oh god. Okay. There's someone close. Oh, I'm about to get shot in the head. I'm about to get a clean cut. Oh, another. Fuck. No! Where am I really going? Fuck. They're up there. They're up there. Oh my god, the bullet dropped. Oh, I tagged him. I tagged him. There's a guy behind here. Why don't I see him? I'm pushing. I'm pushing. Please have my back. Oh god. Watch it. Just watch it. Oh, you're being mad loud. Oh god. Yes, because you come my way. That's crazy. You're giving away my position, baby. Oh my god. They keep missing. They're noobs. Well, you're being loud, so. I gotta reload. There's at least two up there. You see anybody? Oh! Yeah. He missed me. Did you stand still? Oh, God. Oh, my God. Like this? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, please don't get stuck. I have no sniper, so how am I gonna do this? Oh, my God. Okay. This man's gonna be a problem. Do you have any idea where he was? Just east? Hello? Am I talking to a wall? Oh my God, would you? Ugh. This is why I told you. Oh my God. There's people over here. So I can't go that way. Oh my God. He knows I'm here. I know. Do you think he's still camping? Over there. What am I doing? Let me just fucking res you. Suicide mode. Yeah, he probably moved on. Yeah. Trust me. Yeah, look. Oh! 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 Okay. Oh my God. So now two people watching me. That's awesome. Fuck me. Oh! What? Okay, wait. Fucking sniper, yeah. With a Maynard. Maynard. Ain't no way. Is that what they do? Go into Clash just to fucking snipe people? That's crazy. That's so trash. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh my God. This guy. There's just no way. Anyways. No. Hold on. Hunter? What's up? No, no, no. You know what I want. I mean, you know what I don't want. Okay. Hold on. I'm trying to lock in, baby. Please. Hold on. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, kitty. Hi, cutie. Wait, what? Well, that was kind of a rough start. Did you stand still? Baby. Okay. No, 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 no. Get in. Get in. Are you ready? Let's just play normal. Okay. I'm gonna be pimping right now. My bad. My bad, okay? Hi, how you doing? Baby. Switch to normal. Okay. Damn, so I couldn't complete the final challenges, and we have no other challenges. This is great. Awesome game. We've been waiting for this moment, and then nothing. That's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Hunter, what up? Why are you calling me fake? What? Nah. Me? Fake? Never. What? I don't know. I haven't been playing finals. Well, I tried today and I sucked because I haven't played in a while. And guess what? I'm back to being a noob. Are you ready? I'm on fire with this one. I'm ready. What? Ooh. Send it to me. Where? Okay, okay. So I go to and then more. Wait, more and then redeem code. It doesn't. It doesn't. What? Ain't no way. They're supposed to give us blood bonds instead. Yeah. So there's no new code. Damn. It's for 10K? Damn. Well, oh well. See, Hunter, if you were, if you would play this game, you could have joined right now. But yeah. Yeah. Maybe is that your fan? I think I hear something. I think so. Oh wait. Maybe it's not on stream. It's only in Discord. Oh. Oh no, you're good. I want to hear everything. You're good. And they give you no code. That's crazy. Don't speak those foul words. What are the foul words? Hunter playing hunts. I mean, your name has it. Okay. You have hunts in your name, so you're supposed to play this game. I don't know what you're waiting for. Mm. They playing people. That's crazy. Waiting for the game to be good. It's actually really good. I used to hate it in the beginning. What? Wait. No, it didn't work for me. Should I remove these lines? Oh, I can't. What do you mean? The match is starting. But baby. Do you have your headset on? Mm. No wonder. Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah. Easily, yes. I think they're gonna give that. They should. Because people spend money, yes. They should. Seriously. Yup. That's what I said. Yeah. Hmm. I don't play that gun. I know. What is this? Normal mode, right? Okay. Oh my. Run! No. Oh. My guy's tired. Oh, my rank's good. Is the spider here? Oh, it is. Okay. How about we, yeah, smack him. Oh. Oh my god, my guy's tired. Oh my god. Hmm. That's why I leave it up to you. You got that. What? Nah. So many fucking zombies. Did they add more? As if there wasn't enough. Like, there's so many. Yeah? No, but there's more AIs now. What's happening? Oh. Like a bear? I used to hate the bear in the circus. Yeah. That was so hard. No. Can you... Die? Looks smaller? That's good. Mm-hmm. Maybe I have fire ammo. Should I shoot him? Should I shoot him? Oh. Okay. Smack him! I did. Are there any traps in here? There you go. Don't come here. What's up? Yeah? Okay. Whoops. They coming. I put a trap to that door. Oh, this fucking glass. Really? Yeah. Oh my god. Is that you? Oh. Yeah. Hmm. Why is this door open? This one. Are they inside? Oh god. Yeah. Yeah. They're killing each other. We should have pushed. They were busy. Now they're done. Fuck. Let me go up. That shit is so loud. I'll grab it so you can scan. I'm gonna grab it. I might die. Oh my god. Is that you? Someone's throwing. Okay. Yeah. It's still orange. There's one downstairs. There's two outside. No. Fuck. That's not good. Oh god. You killed him? Mm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Almost ran into my own trap. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm going to the other side. I don't see him. Oh, he's on the other side of the wall. Yeah, he's on the other side. Oh, I missed. Motherfuck. Oh my god, I missed him. He doesn't miss though. I gotta heal. He's switching me, I think. You got him, nice. Yeah. Oh, nice. A Dolch? For free? Okay. Yeah. You don't want the Dolch? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me loot! Damn it. You killed all these people? You top and cheeks? Mm. Mm-hmm. You want it? You can take it. I already got a Dolch. I got the best gun in the game. Okay. What's it got? Normal bullets. Yeah. That's a lot of people. Damn. Are we in trios? On accident? Yeah, but we probably in trios. Yeah. Mm-hmm. About 6, I think. I'm telling you, we're in trios then. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm coming. Right here. Mm-hmm. Find me a Kashi. Oh, I got 2 stamina shots. You want one? You want one? Yeah, yeah, come take it. Come take it. I need space. Oh, well. No. I used the weak one. Can I cross? Because the one is weak. I don't want that one. I got a dynamite bundle. That's better. A big pop. How about at the other boss? Nobody, no bodies, right? You get this man off of me? Oh my god. Uh-huh. Okay. Ooh, I was gonna say something. I'm gonna bring him to you. Here, I brought your friends. Here, here, here. Are you gonna kill me? Oh my god. Oh my... Oh my god. I got a dynamite. I got the big papa. Watch out. I'm gonna throw it. Okay. Perfect. No? Baby, wait. The other bounty is still there. Is it not? We can go get it. Let's go get it. He's dead, right? Let's go get that. Oh no. Yeah? How does... Oh my... Oh, okay. Imagine leaving a free bounty because you weren't paying attention. Yeah. Well, you could have left, I guess, and I could go grab it. You wouldn't? I would get it. Oh. That sucks. Both we? Wait. Probably bodies here too. Maybe, I hope. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Imagine it's trapped. You said it might be, right? Yeah. Well, okay. It's fine. Is it inside? Yeah, it is. Downstairs. I can jump through this window. Oh! I'm so glad there wasn't a trap there. I'm gonna jump down. I'm gonna jump down and die. I'm good. Wait, what? Can I grab it? No. Now we can go. Is that a meathead? Can I kill it? What's this? Oh god. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill myself. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill myself. And he's not dead. I am. Oh god. Did you kill him? Okay. A saddlebag? No. They removed everything good from this game. Hunter was right. We gotta wait for the game to get good. It looks like they removed everything that's good from this game. Yeah. I hope there's a cashier. Oh, that's good. Okay. How much you get? Hello? Mike die? What happened? Oh, for free. Oh my god. Really? Yeah. Maybe they changed that. You don't know. Yeah. Oh no, here. Maybe I'm the only one paying attention right now. Okay? Follow me. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. For real. More AIs? Less money? Getting ripped off? Like, what's happening? I clicked! And I'm bleeding. That's crazy. Yep. Right in the head. Right in the noggin, as you call it. No way! You can hit me through the horse? Wait, is the game too loud still? How much we make? How much you standing on now? Your hunt dollars. 98K? For real? Oh my god. Damn. Mm. I got a error though. I got like a red message. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I hope so. I got it. Yes. Oh, that's good. Now I have another Crag. Okay, wait. Can I put this away? I probably can't. Nope. Um, I think I need to buy another slot. I have 1.5. Yeah. Oh wait, this one has a bow. I can use this one. I'm good. Nope. I want the battle pass. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. I'm going like this. I'm going with frag arrows and Constantina. No. I need to change this. Corsentina. Okay, got my white shot. I got this. I don't have any burns. Oh, I do have burns. Fuses. Okay. I don't have necro. We can do clash if you want. B. You're good. You didn't die. We're good. Do not go in with that mindset, please. You got this. You gonna clap some cheeks, okay? That's what's gonna happen. You're gonna kill the whole lobby, I believe. You got this. B. What is it? Yeah. Wait, what? Hunter should learn to play this game. That's what. Get in the game. Get in the game! I don't know. I've never seen him play this. Has he played before? He's good at shooters, so he's actually cracked, okay? He's cracked. Really? Mm. Mm. Yeah. I bet he could play Apex like a god. With finals is similar. Uh-huh. Oh wow. That says a lot. Damn. You're absolutely dog shit. Nah. I don't believe that. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yo, with toxic. I like that. Yeah. Damn. So we could play Apex then. We could play Apex then. Even though I'm basura now. But yeah. I think I do. Yeah. Oh, Hunter, yeah. Everything is about me. What you talking Yo, were you born when they made the first Tomb Raider? Like the blocky boobs and all that? Yeah. Were you there? Good old times. Yeah. I used to love that game. Wait, what? Mm. That's when she was born. What do you guys think? Damn. That's crazy. Oh my god. That's crazy. Yeah, I thought so. Oh, it was on PC first? That's crazy. The first one I played was on PlayStation 1, I remember. Like really blocky and it looked beautiful back then, but yeah. It was so good. Such a good game. Nah, ain't no way you're listening to music while we're playing this. No wonder you can't see. Yeah. I'm not, of course not. Hmm. Hunter? Yes. Wait, what? Oh. Hmm. Are we in yet? What? I'm about to. Okay. Okay, wait. Nah. Baby. Oh, she don't. The big box? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm. Yep. Yep. Oh. Wait. Did your dad have the Atari? Atari? Is that what it's called? The Atari. Mm. Oh my god, get away. Oh my god. I forgot I had that. Oh. I know because like I told you, I should have bought a slot actually. I didn't have space. Take that. Get him. Fuck. Yep. They failed. They failed us. They failed us. Yeah. It's back to being dead. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Best. True. FYI, she is cheating. She doesn't miss. She doesn't miss anything. You don't. You're so cracked. Nah, you don't. Let's go kill him. Shoot him in the back. Let's see how you think he looks. Nothing. Don't die now. I'm AFK for a second. Yes, it is. Trust me. No, I'm one with a tree. Okay. Oh fuck. Hey yo. Okay. I got frag arrows. Show me where they're at. I'm gonna blow them up. Why do I keep losing audio? Damn it. In my headset, I mean. Yeah, you're supposed to know everything. Why didn't you know this? Oh no. Fuck. Can you get him? Oh my god. I'm dying. I'm getting poisoned. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Oh my god. I need heals. Oh my god, I need heals. For real? I'm dying. Oh god. I can't really. Why am I regenning? I didn't even take the shot. Oh, the poison. I'm taking it. Or not. Wait. Oh, this one here. Oh my god, there's a person. Here. Oh my god, they're gonna push me, I think. They are pushing me. Oh god. Trying to blow him up. Oh, this motherfucker's looking at me. I tagged him. Oh, they're pushing me. I got a shotgun though. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Come at me. I'm waiting for him. There's two out there, baby. Be careful. Let me listen. There's one in the back. He's going down. Okay, I'm pushing this guy. I have a shotgun though. Yeah, I'm trying to blow him up. Where'd he go? Fuck. Maybe you're being loud. Wait. Oh my god, this one here. There's another team coming. Another team. From here. Nice. We killed them on top of each other. How romantic. They get to be together. Oh, I have no more arrows. Let me take this then. Is this explosive? Yeah. I got it. Yes. Yeah. Okay, got it. They're pushing? That is a trade. I'm picking the trade. Okay, oh my god, I think I saw him. Maybe. Yeah. Baby. You're being loud. I can't hear. Okay. Let me, Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if they came in because they heard shooting and you killed someone. Okay. Yeah, I hear them. Yeah. Oh yeah, they're coming. I'm trying to go and flank. I might die. They're looting. Fuck. Oh my god. Yes, I hear looting. Fuck. They're right there. I wish I had dynamite. Oh my god, they're coming to me. I might die. I'm getting sandwiched. There's one outside here too. I might get sandwiched. Oh god. No fucking way. course he does. Yeah. Oh, they're not. They missed? Yeah. How does he know? Hmm. You had Necro this whole time? I can't believe it. I know, I know. Nah, just say you hate me. Wait, they took all my... How the fuck? They took all my weapons. What the... Ain't no fucking way. Fucking assholes. This motherfucker. Did you get both of them? Oh, yeah, you did. Mother... How dare he? That's fucking crazy. So that means he came in bare and he just let his buddy kill me and then grabbed everything. That's crazy. That's actually fucking crazy. Nah, that's so toxic. Oh my god. Hmm. That's so toxic. This is a Mosin? Oh. Yeah. Wait. He vanished. What thingy? The cart? They have, yeah, they have, yeah, they have it right there. I'm stuck. Wait, what? Hmm. Is this how this gun aims? Where's my shit broken? What? I think it's broken, yes. What the fuck? This game. I think it's the game. It is the game. Ain't no way. They're breaking the game. How? Already? Wait! No, go, 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 go. We have bounty? Wait. Oh. Okay, hold on. Yeah? I hear him. Yeah. Hold on. Let me change the shotgun. Yes. I know, I hear him. Hold on. I killed one. Get him. I'm going to him. Where is he? Where is he? Oh. Yeah. I can't even fucking aim with this gun. The game is fucking broken. Oh my god. I need to regen. I'm gonna wait for him to get closer. I don't have necro. I'm sorry. Oh wait. Let me change guns. Oh my fucking cow. Come. Come get your friends so I can shoot you. Yeah. Hold on. He's crouch walking. He's on you? Oh god. He's right there. There's more people? Oh god. He's right there. Fuck. I know. Oh! That's another person or him? Oh my god! No! No, please! Get fucked! Oh my god! Oh my god, get fucked. Oh, there's more people. No, this is a zombie. It's a zombie. It's a zombie. You know. Oh my god, baby. I thought I was dead. You know how I panic when people chase me. Holy shit. Oh my god. I was like, I should switch my fucking weapon. Do it. So I did. Holy shit. Yeah? You believe. That's why. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. The other gun, I can't aim. It's broken. The game doesn't let me aim with it. The game doesn't let me aim. Wait, I picked it up. Oh no. Wait. Is this it? No, that's not it. No, it didn't. Now I can aim, yeah. It's a good thing I switched, because now I can aim now. God. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, you told me to not worry and play, so... Yeah. Otherwise, I would have panicked. Yeah. I even tagged them from a distance, but... Yeah. No, after. Yep, and then after I tagged them, but I tagged them with this. The shotgun. Now I have no bullets. Oh my god. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, you know me. It's okay. You're gonna find me some ammo. Easy. Yeah? Oh my god. This guy. What do you want? No, I need heals. Let me go get the ammo. Hey. I clutched, okay? Where are the bullets? Thank you. Do I? Oh, I wish that was true. Oh, medkit. Random. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Just what I needed. Thank you. That cheat this, that cheat that. What's up with you with that cheat? What did the chickens ever do to you? Oh, you killed them. Damn. Yeah, she's gonna leave me. Oh my god. She's gonna leave us. That's random. Oh no. Body block me. Oh god. I guess. Wait. Wait, I did die, yeah. I did, yeah. You're right. Yes. Yeah. What is this? Necro? I don't have Necro, baby. Remember I told you? I didn't. Yeah. Okay, baby. I got 8. How about they give us blood bonds? That would be nice. For real. What is it? How much you get? 5? 25? I got 5. That's crazy. Here's another one. I got 25 this time. That's good. Damn. 25 from 5? That's crazy. At least you got 10. That's crazy. Where are we going? We're going to extraction. Oh, are we going to the Hellboy? Mm-hmm. Got them dang dogs up. What? I do not hear the Hellboy. We're just going to extraction because I don't hear the other boss. Oh. Oh. Yeah. GG, I know, yeah. To be fair, I left first. What do you mean, Hunter? I know I'm seeing it too late, but yeah. Oh my god. What is that? Thank you. Thank you. Best mod ever. Oh my god. Where have you been all my life? Huh. Sounds like someone I know. Ow! Not you trying to fan me. I'm bleeding. Uh-huh. I'm about to do that myself. The little kitten. I'll take it in. Poor thing is starving out there. True. So true. Oh yeah. I killed someone? Oh wait, I did. How many you get though? You killed the whole lobby before that when I died. Yeah? Nah, I don't believe that. See? See, you lied too. See? Let's see. This hunter down your teammate? Oh. Your teammate killed this hunter? You said one. Why you lie so much? Oh my god. Centennial? Let me take this off. Let me take this off. I don't use this. Oh wait, I can't take this off. Let me get regen back. Get a toxic loadout. Oh. Fanning. Let me take this white shot. I'm gonna make sure I got Necro for you. Wait, doctor. Where's doctor? There we go. Bloodless. Okay. What does conduit do? Oh, get health and stamina. Yeah. Okay. Basura. Well, I was before. Oh, we'll see. Uh-huh. Oh, we about to clap some cheeks, baby. We got this. Yeah. So tell me, were you nervous? Were you nervous when I was alone and I had to kill that guy? Really? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Wait, what? No, I don't even know where it is. Yeah. I'm looking, I'm looking. Found it. Um, Wait, what are you saying? What I gotta do? I'm confused. Oh, okay. I'm not a baby. I'm not. Come on. How is that gonna work though? Look, look, look. No, no. Shut up. Look. No. Exactly. That's what I was asking you. Like, how is that gonna work? I know. Ugh. Whatever. Yeah? Oh, sorry. What you ask? Sorry. I no. I don't. Unfortunately. What you need it for? Wait, where? What is this conduit? Why do I have vigor? Well, dark side doubles the rate. Okay. There's nothing here. Nothing. Nothing. I'm sorry. There's nothing. I already found a boss. That's crazy. Breaking my ankles for that. Ow. Good. In the window? Side? Yeah. How much you get? The one. Wait, what is this? I don't know what it is. Memento? Yeah. Which one is better? You tell me. Okay. Okay. That's fine. As long as it hits hard. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not a noob. Okay? I'm not that dookie. No. Nah. Pick that. No, I haven't seen one. I'm sorry. Yeah. I mean, I could heal you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Just say you hate me. Yeah. Well, go in. If you die, Necro, you go. Well, I shouldn't have spoken too soon. I'm about to die. There's dogs. Dogs on me. No, dogs. Dogs. It's okay. You left. Keep going. If you die, I'll necro you. Don't worry. No. Good. No! Oh, no. Wait. Take me in the middle of nowhere. Okay. No, no, no. Wait. Is that someone that aggro owls? Or is that just ambient? Okay, that was just ambient then. What? Okay. Yes. Tag him. Oh. I got one. Where's he? Oh, he's right there. Oh, what the fuck does he have? Yeah. Don't kill me. Oh god. Oh my god. Yes, there's smart people. Oh god. Oh my god. I'm dead. So unfortunate. Yeah, that guy killed me. Yeah. Yeah, that's the same guy. That's the same guy, I think. Yeah. I don't know. That guy is, I don't know. Huh. Fucking unfortunate. Are they teaming? Like, they're not shooting each other. Yeah. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. I didn't get that. Yeah. there. That's true. Yeah. No, I think they were there. They were there. They were waiting. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Pollo camperos. So unfortunate. Wait, a TTV? I'm gotta go check this out. Is that your teammate, bro? Man, so frustrating. Okay, baby, I'm gonna need you to lock in. Okay? What happened? Uh-huh. I know. That's what I thought. Okay. I always think that, so I don't know. He might have been, he might have not been. Let me make sure I get Necro. Necro resilience. True. True. You're right. That's the space. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Baby, you got this. Oh my god. You a shy performer? What are you doing? No. Come on, you got this. I'm ready. Mhm. So that kid just one tapped us. Like headshots. Like that's crazy. That's hard to believe. Mhm. Yeah. No, I think those people were there just waiting. And then when we shot, they fucking got out and killed us. Well, killed me. Yeah. I don't know. Hmm. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, I want the Le Mans. I don't want this. Wait. Yes, I like that one. I've been doing good with that one. Le Mans with scope. Okay. Do it. FMJ and slugs, maybe? FMJ, yes, definitely. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, you got that many. Damn. Fuck. Oh. Accumulates. Yeah. Oh, you can just take everything. You got enough points for it. Just take everything. Just do it. Oh, right. Mm. Yeah. Sounds like fun. We should just run toxic loadouts like fucking frag arrows and just bomb everybody. And then Constantina and then poison and just throw in everything. And like beetles, like oh my god, we should do that. Just fill it up with beetles. Oh my god, we should do that. Why don't we do that? Yes, just all of them beetles, like all 4 slots, beetles. No, no, not if we send in the beetles and like fire, put them on fire like constantly. Oh my god. That would be so good. Yeah, yeah. We should do that next round. Next round. We should totally do that. That would be fun. Frag arrows and a bunch of beetles. And Corsentina and poison. Crossbow. It's taking you so long. Hurry up! I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. No, no, no. Take your time. Take your time. You're good. No, you're good, you're good, you're good. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Damn. Look at you just filled up your traits. Like she said, I want everything. Oh my god. Mhm. 150 and then um what is this? Wait, what? Oh my god, this game takes forever. How about they fix that? That would be great. Is it? It's been popping today, but they fucked it up. They fucked up their big moment. Hey, what? What is this? What? Well, you weren't here. What are you talking about? Nah. Doesn't matter? Nah. You shut your mouth when you speak to me. There's people close. Let's go get them. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm being so loud. Yeah. Wait. Oh my god, there's someone close here. I'm trying to have angles, baby. We can't both be at the same place. Okay, come. Oh. Okay. Damn, you're so far away. Yeah. You got beetles? Nice. Okay. What? Oh. Oh no. My baby's a noob. Hmm. Give me Max. You see somebody? You see them? Hmm. Can the beetle aggro horses? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wait, I hear someone. Is that you? Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. You aggro the horses there, now they know we're coming from this direction. How about you aggro something in the back? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sounds like it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh god. Yeah. Oh my god, this fucking horse. You at the White House? Where they at? Oh my fucking horse. Mm. Oh, good. Is that a chaos? Yeah. Yeah, see him. Fuck me. Fuck me! How do you miss twice? Well. Now he's gonna try to go around. Oh, fuck me. Oh my god, that sucks. Well, can't go that way. Yeah, same. Yep. Yeah. Get me out! Can you ping? Where they at? Roughly? Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see him. Oh, fuck. I see him. He's way in the back. Fuck, bullet drop. He's looking at someone else. No. He was looking to the side over here, so there's more people. There's more people on him, I think. Yeah. Oh, someone killed him. Yep, the ones on the side killed him. The one he was looking at. The ones that I pinged. I don't see them though. I hope they don't see me. Fuck. It was over here. They were over here. They killed him. I kind of want to watch the body to see if they loot. No, I want to see if they go to loot the body they killed. The guy they killed. Yeah? I'm looking, I can't see him. Oh! I hear someone. There's one guy here. I killed him. There's another one, I think. Yeah, there's another one. There's another one. There's another one. Or it's... No, it's just the water. You do? Hey. Oh my god. Please. Oh my god, I'm clicking. This is so stupid. He's throwing something at me. Killed him. I killed him. I killed him. Yes. Yes. So everybody's dead over here, I think. I don't know where the other body is. They killed the guy. Yes, that's what I said. The guy was looking to the side. That's what I said. And then they killed them. This other people? Okay. Okay. So the other guy was a solo? Because then he rezzed. Or something. Okay. I don't know where the other body is. The one they killed. I am! Oh. I already have this one. Where's the other body? The guy with the white shirt. There was a guy with a white shirt. Okay. Yes, 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 Daddy. What is this? Ooh, we making bank. How much you get so far? I have my Lamat. I love the Lamat with the scope. It's really good. Yeah. The guy with the hat. Yes. I think you killed one of them and the other one was going towards him to res and they killed him. That's what I saw. He was looking to the side. It's a nice shirt. Is this purple? That's pretty. Ew. His beard though. Nah, he needs to shave. No, baby. I like the laments. Wait. Okay. What's the skin? No. I think... Yeah. I think we looted them already. Yeah? Okay. Well, we're not gonna get there. Are they dead? What? Baby. Why do you keep muting though? Anyways. That's my last game. Yes. Yes. I'm kidding. What? I'm just fucking with you. Are we gonna make it? Yes. The other one looks like it's closer to the other one. They weren't that close to each other. Okay. Yeah. Classic. You killed one of them. Yes, you did, I think. Oh. I think you killed one of them. The other one went for him, but then he was looking to the side because the other team came on him. Came on to him. You know what I mean. Yeah. Yeah. I told you! I told you they were... No, but listen, this is what I said. They weren't as close as they were when I saw them the second time. That's what I told you. Why are you always acting like I'm crazy? Because I am? I'm not. No. I knew I wasn't crazy. What? I do need special ammo. No! Please. Leave me alone. Yeah? Yes, baby. Finally, I'm not a noob anymore. I'm not a noob no more. Okay, let me take this. Here is where I die. Yep. I'm about to get sniped. Pow! To the head. Wait, what? We're the ones with the snipers. Yes, we are. Where'd they go? Run, 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 run! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go to the fucking extraction. They want to fight. Yeah? Oh, that's good. Yeah? Oh my god. Get off me. Ooh. Wait. How the... Did he have a gun? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh. Oh my god. So I could have blown up right there. Holy shit. Okay. Yeah. Oh fuck. I hate the water. Oh my god. So many eyes. Oh no. My bad. You already know. Now they're gonna run. We got snipers though. Can we see them from here? Fuck. Get on the roof. Oh chase. I got steroids. I mean I got the thingy. Okay, not with that spirit. Slap out of it. Please. No, babe. Slap out of it. Okay. I'm chasing. That's another team. Oh. No, you're not. I'm looking. I'm looking. Oh my god. Yeah. Baby, don't. Cause I can't hear. Okay. Yeah, I got necro. It's okay. Yeah. Oh my god, that shit is loud. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Fuck, now they made it. It's so annoying. Oh my god. Bro. Wait. Yeah. Someone shot at me. Okay. God. No. This one over here too. Yes, yes, yes. Shh. Behind you as well. He's pushing, he's pushing, he's pushing. He's trying to sandwich. I tagged him, I tagged him. I tagged him, I tagged him. Oh, I fucking clicked. Holy fuck me. He's got FMJ. FMJ, behind you, behind you. Baby, don't get close. Sives. Don't. You get him? Oh my god, those are my hives. Oh, the other one is shooting me. Ain't no fucking way. This is not good. Fuck me. Okay. I'm gonna shoot him in the face. I don't know. He's trying to shoot the bush, I think. Maybe get lucky or something. That's what he's thinking. I got necro, but yes, 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 yes. Yes. I cannot see him though. He's just gonna camp, huh? That is so annoying. Oh, do I have any throwables? Fuck me. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. I know. Oh, I'm fucked. Oh my god. I'm so pissed. This man is in his pajamas? The fuck? Yeah. Man. It's so frustrating. It's a love-hate relationship. What? Mhm. What game? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You killed him, right? Yeah. Yep. The guy with the hat. Yep, he died. Mhm. Yeah. That man killed us both. That's crazy. I'm so pissed. Yeah. Mm. Mhm. Wait. No, wait. I threw a hive at him. So you ran into my hive, is basically what you're saying. You ran into my hive. What? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The way before. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, when I threw a hive, I told you I was gonna throw it, remember? Did you hear that? Okay. Oh my god. So basically, I should have not thrown that hive. Oh. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Basura. Maybe. I should have tried to neck rate you. Yeah. What was he shooting at though? Like, but what was he shooting at? Uh-huh. Yeah, but you were dead. He kept shooting. What the fuck was he doing? Really? Toxic. I thought he was just shooting in the bushes because they knew I was in the fucking shrugs. You know? Yes, isn't that what you call them? Shrubs. Okay. You know what I mean. Baby, English is not my second language. Okay? No, none of it. Yes. Thank you well. Thank you well. No. Kitty. Oh my god. Ooh, $100. He's so cute. He's so cute when you're trying to speak another language. Uh-huh. Wait, aren't we gonna do that toxic loadout? The toxic, really toxic. No? I don't know. Just for fun, right? For funsies. I know. They like to fuck around. Let me, I'm gonna get a bow with frag and Corsentina and 2 fire beetles and poison crossbow. Yeah. Where's the big bow? This the stalker beetle? What does it do? Explode? What does it do? Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. Okay, and then crossbow. Yes. With poison. What? I'll bring beetles too. What do you mean? Or I can give you shots. What shots do you need? I'm gonna bring I mean, yeah, in Clash it would be better for sure. So yeah. Let's see. Um, okay, let me take these shots out. Ah. I'm bringing a stalker beetle. Mm. Um, okay. we should bring ammo box too. Who knows? Well, you don't tell me anything. How am I supposed to help you? Maybe. Okay. What you trying to do? Ask Zero. You got him on DMs, don't you? You could DM him. Is he in chat? Talk to him. Okay. How about you bring in the katana? I scared him, get him stuck in Corsentina, and you just stabbed him. Stabbed them all. Just slice them into pieces. I don't know. They can't move. You're gonna be close to them. You know, you're gonna crouch walk. I don't know. Is it broken? You can restart if you need to. Go ahead. You don't? That's crazy. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So you got all the drops, right? That means I had all too. How many? How many? One, two, three, four, five. I don't know. I got five. Tell me so I can close this stream. Oh. Okay. Damn. Why does it take so long? This game is dead. I know. Yeah. Yeah. Well, then do it. In Clash? That's crazy. You're gonna, yeah, you're gonna kill the whole lobby. Probably just one more person in the fucking lobby right now. Yep. They're gonna uninstall. Oh my god. Get in, loser. It's still loading. I'm here. There's probably nobody. Oh, thank God. That's good. Yeah. We'll blow them up. I'm going in too. Where's your beetle? Oh no, they're trying to shoot it. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. How do I blow it up? F? F? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Got him, got him. He didn't die though, that's crazy. Oh, is he shooting at me? Oh god. Yeah, they're shooting at me. Fuck. Oh, what? What happened to my beetle? Ain't no fucking way. I don't know what just happened. Oh my god, please don't see me. Oh. Yeah. There's someone here. They killed him? Yeah. Oh god. Oh, someone's stealing something. Fuck. I'm putting down an ammo box because I need. Fuck. Yes, I heard someone. Hmm. Okay. Got him. This one more pushing. Oh, there's two. Oh god. Yeah. Oh, someone sees me. I'm fucked. Someone's pushing me. Pushing me. Nice. Yeah. 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 Oh my god, I fucking trapped myself. That's stupid. Did I hit him? He's right there. Ow. He's focusing me. Yeah. I'm coming, I'm coming. You're just better. Easy. There's more people. Yeah. Did you loot the bodies? I want to put Constantina on them. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. I told you we were gonna kill the whole lobby. Damn! You clapped them cheeks. Yup. Easy. Yeah. I'm a Constantina him. Yeah. Did you get this one? Okay. Yeah. Another one here. What happened? What did he do? Yeah. Yeah. Fake cojones. Yeah. It's Billy. No, where is it? Oh, yeah, I did. This is it, right? Yes, I did. Yeah. What? Oh my god. Yeah, I did. Got so many dolces now. Damn. I don't think I need any more. I can't even store this anymore. Like, what if they're a solo? Yeah. Yep. Dolch? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You think I would be here? I would have told you. Yeah. Now, the game would be very broken if that happened. I'm gonna uninstall then. Yeah. Nah. Only trap would be this one. And another one. Wait, I don't have any more. Oh! Oh. Please don't. Is this gonna kill us both? Let's try. Let's try it. I'm gonna throw it in the air. I'm gonna throw it in the air at 3. Ah! Oh my god. I would have been dead. Muerto. Good shit. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, baby. Mm-hmm. And you gotta put something in your mouth. Like 10 hours ago. Maybe. Uh-huh. That wasn't dinner, okay? Did we make any money? Hmm. I don't know. Ah. Okay. Yeah. What the? Why does this thing keep scrolling back? Oh my god. $84. Who says that? You're crazy. A vacation that I don't want to go. That's crazy. No way. Well, you better enjoy that. Must be nice. Yeah, if you could call that a vacation. Wait, oh. We can play normal mode because I don't have space for another hunter. Yeah, okay. Oh no. Um, Normal, because I got necro. And I got a bunch of shots. Yes, of course. I always do. What do you mean? Hmm. Let me get burns. Where's my Lamat? What? Why can't I? What? Oh, yes. Baby, why can't I get? Oh my god, it's ruined. Cause I got doolies. Fuck. Okay. Oh my god. Shut it. Mm. But I'm not. I killed people. Not in the last round, but oh my god, you actually killed the whole lobby. You killed everybody. Yeah, you did. All the people that were alive. Yeah, but you killed the last ones. You killed all of them. I tried, but yeah. Let me go with the Centennial. Oh, Centennial with a scope? I'm taking that. Poison. Ooh. If you could call that a sniper, it's a shorty. Yeah. Probably. Isn't that like Disney World? Disneyland? Either. Sounds like fun though. You should go there. You should take me there. Doesn't it show pictures? Would you get in roller coasters now? I wouldn't either. The last time I went into a roller coaster, it got stuck, so I'm not doing that again. I went to Six Flags. That shit got stuck. You never did? Wait. Oh, okay. Okay. Just about to say. Legoland. Wow, that looks so fun. Like water slides and stuff. Hmm. Mhm. Oh yeah. Damn. Must be nice though. That's crazy. Food. Finally. My dinner. Yep. Yep. I'm just now hungry. Okay. Is there people here? Um, I think so. No, no. Yeah. The food is just being loud. Is it down here? Like, how do I get there? Fucking die! The crew is so loud. I can't barely hear you. What's this? What the? I gotta turn you off. I can't hear you. This game is so loud. Okay. Yeah, I do not have a silencer. They need to know we're coming, okay? They gotta know. I got 20. Ugh. 20, 50. Oh my god. So rude. Uh-huh. That's so rude. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Look at this AIs. Like, there's so many more. Like, they buffed them. You're right. You're right. Let me just casually pass by. There's nobody. Mm-hmm. Yup. Watch us get shot out in the open. Oh my god. I don't like this. Oh god. Oh no. Please! Why is it coming to me though? Like, ain't no way. Nothing. They know I'm a noob. I just want some of this fresh blood. Okay. Wait, what? Yeah. Okay. Not you. Why are we always in the waters like this? That's crazy. Are your cankles okay? Yes. Because I want them to know we're coming. They shot too. You heard that? Let's go. Let's get them. So that's what that was. Yeah. Up north. We're up north. Okay. Good. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah. I guess it was, yes, I guess it was something like that too, but like in Dutch, of course. Yeah. I don't remember what it was. I just remember where they are. Yeah. Yep. That's why I got the big head. Yep. You know it. Oh. No. I didn't want to aggro the ducks. Don't do it. We're too close. Okay, go do it. And also go the opposite direction, because then they'll follow you. So many hives. True. True. It's not enough. Oh my god. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna go around. Might get shot though. Ew. What is that? Some zombie making some disgusting noise. Oh god. I'm out in the open. Nobody in the tower? Kinda wanna go up there. Okay, good. Perfect. Exactly. Not me being mad loud. They're shooting at me or you? Okay. Oh no. Yeah. How much you get? Okay. Not bad. Remember, if you're shooting at somebody, you gotta tell me. Was that you shooting? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I hear him. Yeah. Yeah, they're back. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Oh god. Yeah, yeah. I poisoned him. I poisoned him. He jumped down. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. I poisoned him again. I think I killed him. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I am. Yeah. Because I don't want to get shot accidentally. If someone has FMJ, I'm fucked. Oh! Wait, no, that's a zombie. I thought it was his teammate. Is he a solo? You better watch his body. I think he's a solo. uh, where's he? I don't see him. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh fuck, I saw him, but I can't see him anymore. Fuck. What? He's gonna loot you? I fucked him. Yes. That's no. That's the second one. The other one was over there somewhere. Oh! Ain't no way. I might die because these people might shoot me. I got necro, but it's so out in the open. It's so out in the open. Yes, I'm so fucked. Maybe. Oh, I knew it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I knew that. Yeah. Fuck me. They're gonna be watching me. Oh my god. What would you do in this situation? What would you do? Because this seems impossible. It looks impossible. Yeah? Uh-huh. Oh my god. I need chaos or something to decoy. Fuck. Oh god. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going for it. Oh my god. I'm gonna necker you. They can still shoot me, baby. Oh, okay. Here. What does this guy have? Packs and Iron Fury match? Yeah? But I like my little mats. This one is ugly. It's so ugly. And my doolies. Oh my god, my doolies. It's okay, whatever. Wait, you want it? I'm picking up my shit back. I want my doolies. The other guy was in the corner. On the other side. Can I go from the back? Wait. Yeah, there probably is. Um. Did you hear someone? I thought I heard something. Yeah. Oh! See? Where's he? White House. Fuck me. Ain't no way you brought these types to me. Wow, you just using me. Oh, I got the antidote. Uh-huh. I said it too late. Are they in the White House? Since they won? What? Oh, fuck. Oh! Shooting in the back? Okay, but these one shots, I think they're shooting at you. Yes, they're shooting at you. Watch out. Who are they shooting at? Okay. Okay. Really? I can't. Fuck. Oh god. You good? Oh! Okay. Someone died though. Yeah. Oh no. So if they get in a window, they could kill me. Easy. Yes. Yes, baby. I know, but if they see me, I'm fucked. I'm kind of in the open. Okay. Do I have necro? Yes, I do have necro. Yeah, because I tried earlier and I didn't do shit, so I wasn't sure anymore. Yeah. Yeah. You know why you're pushing in there. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Might get shot. Ah! Oh my god! 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 Thank you. Holy. They got poison. No, no, no. I saw it hit and I saw the green stuff. Oh! They can see me? Oh, that's another team, I think. I think someone shot me from the other side. Yes. 255 just shot at me. Yeah. And before that, it was northwest. Yeah. Oh my god. I can't even peek. Please don't. A sandwich. Yup. Like a three-way sandwich. Yum. They got the thingy. They got the thingy. The ghost thingy. The poltergeist. Why is everybody focusing us? Ugh. So annoying. That's so annoying. I have a shotgun. Wait, do I? Fuck. I don't. Wait. Oh, I thought I had the Lamont. No, I have the fucking Centennial. Let's go. I told you it has poltergeist. I got dualies. If they come close, I can fuck them. That's funny. I can't hear him. Oh. Mm. And you responded? Wow. Nope. Oh, how sweet. I think I can hear someone close. Oh, that's poltergeist. Yep. Bound, he should be fucking moving. Yeah. Oh, oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me. Oh my god. Stop talking. I gotta know where we're at. They do, but they don't know exactly. How about we camp and wait for them to make a move? Bounty should move. Oh! Someone's coming. Shh. Baby. Oh. Bro. I heard someone out here. Ice cream. Oh my god. I forgot I had ice cream. I'm gonna get some. I know you do. AC/DC much? Hey, yo! You wish there was a hole? Do what? What kind of ice cream? Hey, yo! Okay. No, they ain't gonna do shit. Pollos camperos. You about to go right now? Oh my fucking god. They keep scaring me. How do they do it if they can't even see it? Mother. Oh, see through the walls. Okay, I've never used it before, so I didn't know that. Hey, yo! Yeah. I do. Okay, then don't do it. If you know that's gonna happen, why do it? You're gonna. Okay. Okay, yeah. You never taught me that, so. Okay. Okay. Rez, turn my head down. Okay. Wait. Oh, yeah. These people are professional campers. They're gonna stay there. Yup. We have no choice. No. At this point, we have no choice. We gotta just be patient. Oh my god. Oh! How did I know this? Okay. I got you, baby. You need the shot? Come, 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 come. Oh god, they're coming, they're coming. Baby, you're being loud. Here, 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 here. Here, 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 here. Here! Oh god. Okay. You got it? Mm-hmm. Why did you do it? I could have given it to you. I'm your healer, baby. Really? I've just been staying alive, basically. Mm-hmm. My turn. My turn. You got necro? My turn. My turn. Really? Yeah. Oh my god. Mhm. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Don't have any more shots. Please don't pin me. I can't even hear him. I wish I could hear him. Let me listen to your stream. Oh. Okay. Mhm. Got it. Follow you. Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it. I'm following. Yeah. And nobody's moving. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. How about I kill the one above and you get that dude? No. Ain't no way. They're moving. They're moving. Oh, they're killing each other. I'm pushing. I'm pushing. I'm pushing.
Oh,
Okay. I don't. I'm doing something stupid. Oh god. Are you dying? Please don't. Did you lose a bar? I can heal you. Let me be your healer. Oh, you're burning. Oh my god. Baby. They're running, aren't they? Yeah. I know.
oh.
Where is he? Fuck. I don't see him. Oh! Fuck! I missed. Holy shit, I could have killed him. Please speak again. I killed one. I killed one. I killed one. That shit blew up, but it didn't hit his teammate. Oh! Yeah, looking. Did he res? Fuck. I'm gonna push in the back. Really? Yes. Oh my. Oh my. I'm trying to. Where's it? Oh my god, baby. This is how I die. There's nobody. You're welcome. There is? Oh god. Okay. Wait. Oh, you killed this one, right? There's a lunchbox over there. Yup. Wait, I grabbed that? Yeah. So I guess it's done. Everybody's dead and the only one left. I think so. Do you want to? Yes, I say we do it. Yes, 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 yes. I like risks. I like risks. Wait, you got 1 bar? That's that's fucking. Oh no. Wait, it's a red trait. Dead cheat, baby. We don't have to. Come here. Come, come, come. I got something for you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. There is something else. You're welcome. I did. I did. Yeah. I got burns. Did I burn? Burn in the middle? Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh. Wait. Where's my weapon? Fuck. Did you grab it? My my big gun. Where's it? There it is. No, no, I'm good. What other body? Oh, this one. I didn't. Thank you, Vivi. Nah. You were the distraction. You know why? Cause you have no patience. You just want to push. I know, right? Oh my god. I can't even see this bitch. Yeah. We had no choice. Yeah, sometimes you just don't have a choice. Oh, please don't. Yeah. Okay. For real. If I shoot you, do you die? I love the dualies. The only game I died. Mm-hmm. Yep. That was so fucking toxic. I would have punched him. Yep. Oh my god, that was so toxic. I didn't know they do that. Still, that's fucked. Hmm. Okay. Naked. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's so toxic. Hmm. Ain't no way. Hmm. No way. Yeah. That's so bad. I mean, that's funny for stream. You should do that. You should do that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's better than just sitting, pollo campero. That's funny. Yeah, that's true. In fact, you should do that right now. you you don't have to burn yourself. How about you get in, or I get in naked, and you kill someone so I can grab their weapons. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hmm. What's the Lightfoot one? Does that exist? Lightfoot. So they can't hear me, right? Oh, true. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, all right. Oh, all right. If we have to. Yeah. Oh, that's good. I don't know. You hate this game, okay? I know. You going naked? Oh my god. So, nah. See, this is why I told you to come in with the weapons and I go naked. Because I miss my shots. Okay, but I miss my shots. Okay, you gotta be the distraction then. Run around and zigzag. Okay. Okay. And traits and some shots. And something to punch a fucking emulator. I'm telling you, you're gonna run into an emulator. Damn. Oh my god. Yeah, knew it. Mm-hmm. So how about that pollo campero? I'll be right back. Get some pineapple juice. Okay, I'm ready. Mhm, mhm. Thank you, thank you. Oh my god, that's so good. So you're gonna take me to Legoland or what? Yeah, they got one over there. Mm. Well, I guess we're traveling somewhere else. It's nice. Ooh, New York sounds nice. Here, get in, loser. You ain't got nothing. Oh my god, that's crazy. No, 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 no. You gotta run in, be the distraction. I can shoot him in the back. All right. Okay, let's go. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Oh god. I see nobody. Somebody? You do or not? You do? Mm. Baby. Oh my god. Nobody? There's a... think there's a weapon in the tower? Oh! I didn't want to aggro the duckies. Oh my... Ain't no way. You just... You just want me to die. Just say you hate me. Exactly. Why would you do that? Hmm. Is that a trait? What is this? Position? Oh, I already have that. Position. You need it? Oh! Okay. Mother! Over here. Where is it? No? Only got 16? Ooh. I got 18. It's not good. I think that out there. Fuck. Yeah. It's over here. Ugh. Ow! Did you punch me? Look, baby money. Baby money for baby. 20. Yes. 4! That's... the game hates you. I don't know. Where we going? Mhm. How'd you kill her? Insta-kill her like that? Hmm. Wait, one punch? Oh, I thought you said you weren't bringing anything. Hmm. You lied. Yes, you should. Oh, oh okay. Okay. Oh my god, I'm about to get shot. I can feel it. No, 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 no. See, the irony of life is I'm the one that's gonna get shot and you need to go on with your punches. Mm-hmm. Beauty. Oh my god. Wait, am I hearing? Oh, no wonder. Yeah. Yep. Wait, is it outside? Inside? Where? I see, I see, I see. Got it, got it. Yeah, it's 20. 20. You got the pill? I got all of that. Ugh. But it is. But it is. Mhm. Damn! One punch. Go in, let's find out. Of course there's people. Of course, right? Yeah. Mm. This is the one. Okay. Yeah. Get off her. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, buddy. Can you kill that boss with nothing? Make it so much worse. I gotta let him know we're here, baby. Gotta let him know. Okay. Okay. Yes, I want it. Yeah? Okay. Wax dynamite. I should have remembered the lunch boxes. Okay. Hello? Anybody home? Can you open this? Oh god. Okay. How about sit in the tree lines and wait for people to pass? Shoot them in the face. Sounds like a good plan to me. Oh my god. You're not allowed to. What? Is that you? Yeah. What'd you get? Oh, nice. Damn. I didn't. It wasn't me. Killed it already? Damn. That was quick. Why? I want to see if people... They won't know I'm here. Right? Yeah. Look at you being mad loud. Oh, this is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm telling you. Okay. I'm trying to... Over there? Oh, fuck. Okay. I don't think I could see them. Oh god. Yeah. I'm going out. Okay. Yeah, I see him. Oh fuck. I can't. Couldn't. Fuck me. It's right there. Fuck, he's right there. Fuck me. Oh, that's not him. Yeah. I hear someone, but I don't see him. Fuck me. I'm fucking missed. Oh, he's running like a bitch. Where'd you go, motherfucker? Is he in the trees? Oh god. Is he there? Oh my fucking god with this hive. Please. Woman. Holy fuck. Where'd he go? Oh no. Fuck me. You got a gun though. Hmm. I know. I heard him. He's over here somewhere. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait. Behind me now. Behind me. Behind me. There's another one. There's two of them. One in front and one in the back. Fuck. Where can I see him? Fuck. Over here. Fuck, I can't see. Jeez, game. They're killing AIs though. Fuck me. Yes. Someone killed an AI over here. Yes. Punch with a fucking knuckle duster. He's not making noise now. He's... I do. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm, yeah, might be. Okay, okay. Yeah. Man, fucking camperos. That wouldn't surprise me. Yeah. How about you not be loud though? Cause you're gonna get shot. I know, but still. Mm-hmm. Fuck. I'm afraid to move from here because there's a person close to me. No. Okay. Please don't shoot me. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes, 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 I'm coming. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh. He's right there. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Burn? I can burn him. Baby money for baby. On the what? On the what? I can't hear you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh god. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Let's do it. Let them chase. Let's do it. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Wait, it's this way. No. He's burning. Please don't close it on me. There's no extraction here. Yes. Yeah. Let them chase so we can snipe them. Maybe. You have a sniper? Oh, you have a Sparks. Yeah. He's shooting at us? Of course. Wait, a bounty? Yeah. Let's bring the party over. Okay. Oh, I hate this. So open. I'm chasing that. Lunchbox. Fuck. Fucking water. Oh my god, I hate this. Fuck me. I might die. Please leave me alone, sir. My fucking god. Yeah? You're not gonna chase that? I'm gonna see if I can see him with the scope. Yeah. Fuck. He's gonna make it. Damn it, man. Did you find bodies? Only one, right? Or is that the bounty? Okay. Well, grab what? The trait? I can't. No, they're probably there already. I don't mean to chase this guy. The other ones that were chasing us, they're already there. You telling me to go back? Just say you hate me. Oh my god. I'm not gonna go back. Exactly. No. No, I'm good. Told you you'll run into an emulator. Oh, that's good, baby. Your eyes are not itchy. Yeah? What? Um, nothing. I could have caught up to him if I kept chasing. Fuck. Yeah. I wanted to protect you in case. Okay. Yep. Honestly, I hope that happens right now. Yup. And I'ma keep moving because you said you don't need me. What's that in your hand? They probably are. People either camp or they chase. There's no in between. Yeah. Oh no, I hate this place. So many worms. I think he trapped it because he took too long to leave. Oh god. Mother. Oh, lady. Please. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yes. Yup. Since last game, right? Yeah. Okay. Did we kill anybody? You did, probably. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Grabbed the body and dipped. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Mm-hmm. GG's, baby. See you next year. No, of course not. Mm-hmm. All right. Well, those were some good games. I just felt like streaming randomly. GG's. Bye. Peace.